Omuzanogu gwazanirwa Chai cha Bishop Stewart University echa Riverside omurembo rwa Mbarara gwasiga abahagizi b'ishomereri akamwenyo ahamatama atamba Amans owahindura omuzanogu arikuteba kandi arikorana assist yashoborora okubatwira obwire barikwetegurira omuzanogu omumpaka z'amatendekero ga university.
Nishima mukama wejune yabasha kutereza kutanga kuprepare ngomu August, so preparation zone zitwakozire twashobora kuzidisplay then chibambuzo cha katebe kija katebuza game tactical plan.
Karungi Farouk oriyo mutendeki wa Bishop Stewart University yashomererwa n'obuhanguzi obu bwanyuma yo kugarukamo kuzana omuzaneegi ebamazire emyaka 2 batari kuzana abwe kibonerezo ekyabahirwe.
I'm very happy for this game today. It wasn't easy. After 2 years of suspension of league, we are back, and we have come back with a lot of energy fighting. So we had lost the winning race, but we have come back from 1 behind to 2-1. It wasn't easy.
Omutendeki wa International University of East Africa Juma yashoborera kwenshobi nyingi ezakorwa omukishenge nazo zabateza omupira ogu babaye bembire batyo bakabariga enyuma bakabasinga.
When you look at how we are playing, I don't have any excuse because this is football. You know, we made a couple of mistakes, we got punished, and football is like that. It's not about the players, it's about how the teams were performing. But for us, we knew that they want to play long balls, catch us on a break, and that is what happened. But unfortunately, our players lost a little bit of concentration, and we got punished. But things that we have to talk about as coaches and see how we can go about them in the next game.
Amashomera agabiri garyo mu kibinja ekya Group B ekirimo Kabale University, African Renewal, Mutesa One Royal University na Bugema University. Bishop Stewart nekurasaho Bugema University ahabugenyi kandi International University of East Africa nibakurasaho Mutesa One University omuka omezano ya University Football League eri kugenda ombisho. Amakuru aga gashakwa Ian Kankwasa.